9%. That's a very small number. And did you know that is the number that describes the number of young farmers in Indonesia? I am Ida Ayimade Intan Pujawati from the Agroecotechnology Study Program. We'll discuss more about the importance of increasing the younger generation interest in agriculture through a systematic learning system. As time goes by, the younger generation interest in agriculture is decreasing. Many consider agriculture less interesting or old-fashioned, even though agriculture is at the heart of the food security, one of the main pillars of the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, launched by the United Nations. Indonesia itself has a vision to become the world's food barn, and to realize this, the next generation needs to be equipped with sufficient agriculture knowledge and skills from an early age. To realize a generation that is more caring and empowered in agriculture, it is necessary to build an educational movement that involves all elements of the school. The following strategies can be applied. From number 1, routine activities at school. This kind of activity introduces students to the process of farming firsthand and teach environmentally friendly and sustainable methods. Number 2, simple projects. Each student can undertake a specific crop cultivation project. Apart from introducing the cultivation process, this project also trains their skills in managing resources. Number 3, extracurricular activities. Various types of interesting activities such as competition, educational visuals, and school or city-level agriculture forums. With these activities, of course, students will feel more enthusiastic. This agriculture education program needs to be planned and implemented in several stages. First, cooperation with the government. Next, program design with experts. Third, simulation and activity preparation. Fourth, target and output. And finally, monitoring and evaluation. Undeniably, some obstacles may arise during the implementation of the program, including, first, limited facilities in schools. Furthermore, the lack of trained teachers, so training for teachers is very important. Finally, the lack of support from the community. Support from parents and the community is needed to ensure the program runs well. This program is expected to produce various outputs, such as 1. An education system that integrates the values of sustainability and environmental friendliness. Next is basic cultivation skills, and last, awareness and concern for nature. The implementation of this program is expected to bring positive impacts in education, economic, and environment aspects. Students gain practical knowledge and skills that can be applied in real life, making the education curriculum more relevant to the needs of the times. In simple terms, basic agriculture science education is not just knowledge taught in this classroom, but an important profession to face by making agriculture part of the primary and secondary education curriculum. We are shaping a generation that cares more about security, food security, environmental sustainability, and social welfare. This is in line with the goals of the SDGs, which seek to realize a more just, power, and sustainable world for all. That was about my innovation. Thank you for your attention.